Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove those annoying IFNA errors you sometimes see when working in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. By the end of this video, you'll know a super simple way to tidy up your spreadsheets, making them look more professional and easier to read, even if your formulas come back with missing or mismatched data. Let's dive right in. So you might have noticed that sometimes, when you're using functions like VLOOKUP or match or certain other formulas, you end up with that mysterious #/A or NA showing up in some of your cells. This usually means the formula couldn't find what it was looking for. And while that's fine for debugging, it doesn't look great if you're sharing your spreadsheet or trying to keep things clean. Maybe you're making a budget, a project tracker, or a report, and you want it to look polished with no distracting errors. Here, how you can hide those IFNA errors in just a few seconds. First, locate a cell that's currently showing an A. It's probably just sitting there, standing out like a sore thumb. Don't worry if you see a few of them, it happens to everyone. What we want to do is catch those errors so they don't show up at all. All you need to do is add the IFNA function to your formula. To do this, click into the formula bar of the cell with the NA right at the beginning of your existing formula. You'll want to type equals IFNA, so you're literally just wrapping your current formula with IFNA. Think of it like putting a protective shell around your formula. IFNA checks if your formula is about to display NA, and if so, it can replace it with something nicer, like an empty cell, a dash, or even custom text. Let's say you have a formula like equals VLOOKUP, A2 sheet 2 A B2 false. It sometimes returns an A if it doesn't find a match. To hide the error, change it so it reads IFNA VLOOKUP A2 sheet 2 A B2 false. The empty quotation marks tell Google Sheets or Excel to show nothing if NA happens instead of the error message. After you've added IFNA at the start and that closing parenthesis at the end, just press enter. You should see the cell instantly update. If the original formula finds what it needs, it shows you the real result. Otherwise, the error is replaced, keeping your spreadsheet looking neat. If you want something visible instead of blank like a dash or a note, you can replace the with whatever you prefer. For example, IFNA VLOOKUP A2 sheet 2 A B2 false, not found. If you're working in older versions of Excel that don't have IFNA, you can use IFERROR instead, which works almost the same way. But IFNA is more precise if you only want to catch IFNA errors. Give yourself a moment to check a few other cells that might have similar issues. Just repeat the same process, wrap their formulas with IFNA. It only takes a few seconds once you get used to it. And that's all there is to it. By using the IFNA function, your spreadsheets will automatically catch and hide those IFNA errors, making everything cleaner and more understandable, especially if you're sharing your work or presenting to others. If this tip helped you tidy up your spreadsheets, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to know more about cleaning up other common errors, drop a comment below. I love hearing your questions. And be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.